Dad, I cracked it. I have a guaranteed system to be rich by Friday. Step 1. Buy 40 scratch-off tickets.
A guaranteed system. Guaranteed to do what exactly? I've watched you be rich by Friday about 9 times now.
Those were different systems. This one is foolproof. I feel it. The universe owes me a jackpot.
Versus poor often comes down to this: the poor chase the jackpot, the rich build the habit. Phil just found a guaranteed system to get rich by Friday. Let's see how that goes. The universe doesn't owe you a thing, but it will happily take your ticket money. Sit. Let's do the math.
Math is for people without a lucky system. My cousin's neighbor won $200 once. It clearly works.
Phil, he spent $400 to win $200. That's not a system. That's a slow leak.
Here's the thing about getting rich quick. The only one who gets rich quick is the one selling you the quick.
But somebody wins the big one. Why not me? I have a very lucky feeling and a very lucky hat.
Somebody also gets struck by lightning. You don't plan your retirement around the weather.
Your odds of the jackpot are 1 in 292 million. Your hat is not moving that number.
Poor thinking bets on one lucky day. Rich thinking bets on 100 boring ones. Let me show you. The poor mind says, one lucky break will fix everything. The rich mind says, 100 boring, consistent days beat one lucky one. One buys tickets, the other buys time.
Boring? Boring doesn't buy a yacht by Friday. I need the fast money, Dad.
There is no fast money. Only slow money you didn't wait for, and a stranger who kept it.
Fine. But how does slow and boring ever beat a giant, life-changing jackpot?
Because you actually get the boring one. Watch what your ticket budget could really do.
$20 a week for 30 years, spent on tickets, that's about $31,000 gone and almost nothing back. Invested at 8%, that same $20 grows to about $129,000. The jackpot was never the fast money. The habit was.
Wait, my $20 a week becomes $129,000 just by not buying tickets?
By buying a boring index fund instead. Same $20. One buys hope, the other buys ownership.
The lottery sells you a dream for $1. Compounding sells the same dream, minus the losing.
The jackpot was never the fast path. The habit was, slow is just fast that finished.
So the get-rich-quick guys are the only ones getting rich quick? Off of me?
Now you're seeing it. They sell the shovel. You dig. Guess who keeps the gold?
Every guaranteed system costs money to join. A real asset pays you to show up.
Consistency isn't exciting, and it doesn't need to be. It just keeps showing up, which luck never does.
So instead of 40 scratch-offs, I put that 20 to work every week? Forever?
Get rich. Quick sends your money out chasing a 1 in 200 million shot. Get rich slow sends it to work every single week. One relies on luck, the other relies on time, and time always shows up. Every week. Get rich quick relies on luck. Get rich slow relies on time, and time always shows up for work.
Luck is a coin flip you keep losing. Time is a coin that only lands on your side.
New plan. I return the scratch-offs and start my very first boring, unsexy investment.
That's the shift. Stop chasing the jackpot. Start becoming the house that always wins.
So while everyone's scratching tickets, I'm quietly getting rich the boring way?
The boring way is the only way that ever worked. Welcome. It's very calm here.
You will never win the race to look rich, so stop betting on luck. Start betting on time, and let boring, consistent money quietly make you wealthy. Chase the jackpot. You stay poor waiting. Build the habit, and time quietly makes you rich. Next time, Phil tries to keep up with the neighbors. Subscribe to Common Sense.